Do you find difficulties in generating more bankruptcy cases for your law firm? Are you curious about how to reach out to potential clients who are facing foreclosure, tax liens, and massive credit card debt? Well, you're not alone. Today, we'll delve into a step-by-step guide on how to target these potential clients through Facebook ads. Before we proceed, remember that the key to success is in the details. The devil, as they say, is in the detail. The more specific and focused you're targeting, the more effective your campaigns will be. Step 1. Understand your target audience. This is the foundation of any successful marketing campaign. You need to know who you're targeting. In this case, we're focusing on individuals facing bankruptcy, foreclosure, and tax liens. These are people who are likely feeling overwhelmed and in desperate need of legal help. Step 2, set up a Facebook ad campaign. Facebook's ad platform is incredibly versatile and allows for detailed targeting. Start by selecting Create a New Campaign in Facebook Ads Manager. Choose traffic as your campaign objective to direct potential clients to your website or a specific landing page. Step 3, define your audience. Here's where your understanding of your target audience comes into play. Use Facebook's detailed targeting options to reach the right people. You can target by location, age, and even income. But most importantly, you can target based on interest and behavior. Step 4, craft your message. Your ad should speak directly to your target audience's pain points. Highlight how you can help them navigate through their financial struggles and provide them with a fresh start. Step 5, monitor and adjust your campaign. Like any marketing effort, this isn't a set it and forget it situation. Monitor your campaign's performance, adjust your targeting or messaging if necessary, and always be testing new ideas to improve your results. To recap, generating more bankruptcy cases for your law firm involves understanding your target audience, setting up a targeted Facebook ad campaign, defining your audience, crafting a compelling message, and continuously monitoring and adjusting your campaign. But don't stop there. Optimize your blog for better local SEO results. Write about topics your potential clients are already looking for, such as how to deal with foreclosure or understanding tax liens. This not only positions you as an authority in your field, but also helps your website rank higher in local search results. Remember, while Facebook ads can help you reach potential clients, it's also important to provide valuable content and a strong online presence. This multi-pronged approach will help your law firm attract more bankruptcy cases and ultimately achieve long-term success. Stay patient, stay focused, and most importantly, stay committed to providing the best possible service to your clients. It's a journey, not a sprint. Happy advertising. Voiceover. For a deeper dive into these strategies and more, don't hesitate to visit our website at lawfirmignite.com. Here you'll find a wealth of resources designed to help your law firm reach its full potential. And remember, you don't have to go at it alone. Our experts, Mike and Josh, are always ready to lend a hand with personalized assistance. Reach out to them for tailored advice based on your specific needs and challenges. Let's ignite your law firm's potential together. Talk to Mike and Josh today.